Om Shanti. There was a village. One day, three people wanted to enter that village. A sadhu, who was staying at the outskirts protecting the village, stopped them and humbly asked their introduction and the purpose of their visit. The first person said that his name is Death. Second person introduced himself as Disease. Third person said that he is called as Fear. According to the laws of creation, they said they have to enter the village and while returning, they will take back some people with them. But Fear said that he will not be taking anyone with him. It is law of creation which nobody can deny, so Sadhu allowed these three people to enter the village. After a few days, when these three people were returning, Sadhu observed that Fear has maximum number of people with him. Sadhu was surprised. He stopped them, asked Fear that while entering the village, you said that you will not be taking anyone with you, but how come now such a big queue behind you? Fear said, I am not taking anyone, they are voluntarily coming with me. Today, there is a similar environment everywhere. The fear of coronavirus is surrounding. The fear is overpowering us. Let us be clear that fear is not at all a solution for any problem. Moreover, it will increase the severity of the problem. Fear comes when we see the situation as a helpless one. What will happen to me? What will happen to my family members? What is happening to this world? Will there be any end for this pandemic? Yes, definitely. We are in trying times. We are facing a big challenge. The virus has become so viral that probably this is the only pandemic that has hit the whole world at the same time. All the other disasters like civil wars, natural calamities, world wars, these have affected only specific parts or specific countries of the world. Coronavirus has affected the whole world at the same time. But there will be a solution for every problem. Time will reveal the solution. Time will open the curtain of solution at its perfect timing. Until then, every question is unanswered. Every question is just like a question mark in our mind. Is it necessary that we have to think again and again about these unanswered questions? Experts are saying that more than the virus, the fear has become dangerous pandemic now. Finish off the fear, but simultaneously take care of yourself. Let us be in a fear-free condition while taking the precautions. Fear seems to be a big tiger that comes and engulfs us. But fear itself cannot do anything on its own. It is just simply a paper tiger. But if I fear more, I am making that paper tiger into a real tiger, which is more dangerous. So let us not panic, let us not fear, but learn how to take care of ourselves in a fearless condition. Asatoma Satgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityorma Amritangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. A prayer to God saying that, O God, lead us from untruth to truth. Lead us from darkness to light. Lead us from death to immortality. The darkness and light mentioned here are not related to sun and moon. They are related to the mental condition of a human being. When we are fearing, definitely it means that we are in darkness. Fearing is ignorance. Then why should we be in that ignorance? When we are praying God, now everything seems to be very confused. Future is not clear. So many fearful questions. At that time only, we have to see the silver lining of the cloud. Light, a ray of hope definitely will be there, and a small ray of hope, a ray of light, when ignited in our hearts, will dispel the darkness, and we will be in the divine light. Don't go to God saying that, God, please see how big my problems are. Instead, go to problems and with great pride and great conviction, say to problems that, see how big and powerful God I have with me. This powerful conviction will lead me into light. One step of my fearless condition, thousand steps of help from the supreme power. What else we need? But nowadays, I hear from so many people saying that fear is normal, tension is normal, stress is normal. All these things which are compared to be a negative things or compared with a darkness, today people are equaling that with a normal life. Some people even say that the whole world is sinking in the panic. Well, I am not an exception. After all, I am a human being. Let us come out from this wrong definition of normal life. Okay? Let me speak from your perspective. If fear, tension, stress, panic, all these things are normal for you, then it is said that presently we are in a new normal life, not normal life, right? So, what we will do is we will shift our life from normal to new normal, a new normal mantra for our mind. Normal is fear, new normal is fearless. Normal is panic, new normal is courageous. Normal is feeling stressed because of feeling very alone. New normal is always being strong mentally by remembering God. Such a beautiful life God has given. Why should not we enjoy? Why should we really worry about the life thinking about unanswered questions? Definitely, we have to lead a worthful life, a fearless life. So beat the fear, take care of yourself, increase your emotional immunity, increase your spiritual capacities. We will be coming up with more videos assisting you for the tips and techniques to increase your spiritual capacities and emotional immunity. Thank you so much.